Today's our last day here at, what is it, Kelletville, Pennsylvania. It's been a nice day. It's time to get out of here. I think we're not going to go real far, 10 or 15 miles maybe. I think there's another real nice campground. It's very budget friendly. We're going to go check it out anyway and see if that's going to work out for us for our next day. We're about all packed up here. It's one or two last items and we're gonna get on out of here. Bella is not allowed down to the river today because you seen the last video. Yeah, we had some storms coming through. We were fortunate. I wouldn't say storms, but we've been having this all morning too. They're threatening, but nothing's let loose. I think it's gonna finish clearing up. There's a couple of strays around here, but the rains that did move through yesterday has brought the river up quite a bit. We were here where it was all shallow and we could easily wade. That's up a couple of feet. And that current? No, Bella's not going in there. She can swim, but I don't know. She doesn't do it that often. I wouldn't say she's in shape, that I wouldn't call her a swimmer. Although she can swim, yeah. I don't know about that. That might take her downstream a ways and I might have to go in after her, sort of thing. Yeah, nope, ain't happening, Bella. So we have stayed away from the river this morning. And we're gonna get out of here. Oh, whoops. It turns out it's only 8.7 miles away. Oh, what's the difference? It's somewhere new.
Turn right onto Pennsylvania 666 East.
What's the difference if it's 8 miles or 80 miles or 800 miles? Get on the road to a new place.
Take the next right onto Pennsylvania 666 East. Continue on Pennsylvania 666 East for 9 miles.
Wow, I think this is a one-lane bridge up here going across the creek. We're just following the creek. Wow, that's a pretty cool bridge. Yeah, we're just following Tynesta Creek upstream. I think we're here. It's supposed to be on the left. Huh.
Your destination is on the left.
Minister Creek Campground, Allegheny National Forest. Let's see. This might work out good. Let's see here. Yeah, there's one person back here. Oh, there was a campsite to our right that was taken. Give me a minute, we'll have a look around here. This is going to be a no-go for us. It might have worked. Actually, if that one guy up at the very end is leaving, we might be able to do this. These sites are pretty tight quarters here. I think there's a little brook right there too. Yeah. Oh look, yeah, they did say there's potable water, and there it is, the hand pump. Yeah, pretty. In Russ's rig, you know what? I can get away with it in the van, but there's a lot of low-hanging limbs and branches here. But this one guy up here, the first sight in here, he's leaving. We might be able to do this. All right, we're gonna just get it back up here a little bit. He is leaving. What timing? Well, he's got some stuff put up on top of that. He got some stuff strapped on that top of that van. A lot of fencing. Maybe he has a doggy dog. I mean, if we had to, we could make it work, but yeah, we could make this work. But there is that one big limb up there. We're not going to get up and do any pruning in the national forest. So, well, that's kind of a shame. That's all right. It's a big forest. And actually, we were only gonna stay maybe one night because we got some other plans up above Warren, Pennsylvania. So me and Russ is gonna compare notes and see what we come up with. He backed out. He's over near the side of the road. That would have been a real nice place for, you know, car camping or SUV or van. With unload limbs, it's just RVs are kind of off limits, and it's tight quarters back there to try to turn around and maneuver it all. Even if it wasn't for the limbs, it's pretty tight to get anything turned around back there. I had to be really careful in the van getting turned around. So yeah, we're gonna move on and see what else we can maybe come up with. If not, then we're gonna go up to Warren, Pennsylvania. And we got plans to visit somebody up there.
Take the second right onto Railroad Street.
Alright, my bad. I thought we was going up to Warren to visit somebody tomorrow. And actually that would make us a day early. We actually have 2 days to...
Continue for 5 miles.
We actually have 2 days to burn, not just one. So there's a state park. I think it's Chapman State Park. It's going to be out here a couple miles. I might go out there and maybe stay there a night. At least go out and check it out. We got time to burn, so we're going to go out here for a while anyhow. Bella is always happy to check out any new place. You never know. Sometimes things work out like this, and you say, oh, I'm glad it did, because you go out there and it's just like a hidden gem. And we go out here and say, I'm so glad we came over to check this place out after all. Now let's keep our fingers crossed and hope it's nice. Oh, this state park is going to have a big lake. Well, Chapman Lake. Oh, and there's the dam over there. Oh, check out how the steps are all waterfalled. Look at that, Bella. Look at that. Looking the wrong way. Hey, that's pretty cool. Nice. Now, not all state parks have campgrounds. Some are just not that big and just weren't designed for such, but this one does have a campground. And we'll see what the rates are here. Maybe we'll end up convenient enough. We got time to burn. We're here. So maybe we'll stay in the state park campground tonight. That'd be nice. We can go ahead and just it's mid-afternoon. We can just go ahead and set up and we're done traveling for the day. Now, this is my idea of a forest. I've been out west plenty of times and I see some areas called forest, and I'm like, well, where's the trees at? There are some forests that are almost treeless. Yeah, but not around here.
In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Okay, good to know. Yeah, we got some spots available. Nice, some pretty nice spots. I like that spot there. You back in, it's kind of over here in the corner. You back in and your yard's all kind of private over there. Yeah, the back part of this loop over here is really nice. There's some spots over here where, I mean, it's just back here kind of in the woods by itself. Back in there, and you get your picnic table, firing kind of all right there. very nice wooded spots. And this is a really nice spot. I really like this one. Huh. I'm really impressed with this park back here. It's really nice. Some nice shaded spots here on the left. Alright, I'm having to come the whole way back out to the park office because it's late enough in the day that we can't get a spot for tonight online. After a certain time, you have to actually go to the park office and do it. So we'll run out there and I think we're going to grab a site after all. Are you okay with that? She's just looking everywhere like... Come on, this way. Zoom. Zoomy, zoomy. Alright, there is supposed to be a dog walk up here that goes the whole way around the park. And it's supposed to be like back in the forest a bit. So, I'm gonna have a look. And there's one campsite down here that, of all the campsites in here, so many nice campsites in the way they're laid out and wooded. There's one that just really, I've taken a liking to. Come on. Come on, sniff, sniff, sniff. She's wondering, why am I on a leash in the woods? Let me take a quick look around here. Because dogs are supposed to be. Maybe we get back in here a little bit, I'll let her off for a bit. But as soon as we see anybody, anywhere, you go back on. Oh, she is liking this. She's up sniffing around all kind of stuff. Takes off and somewhere else and sniffs around. You exploring? Are you exploring, girl? She probably smells all kind of critters. I don't know how far in. I don't know, the park map shows a dog trail. Yeah, and we're already in a little ways. It just kind of shows that it goes out and around just the whole outside perimeter. So, but I don't see any signs of a trail. It may be, they just might be showing it's a good place just to make your own trail. just wander through the woods, whatever suits you. Yeah, when I think of forest, this is more what comes to mind. Not wide open spaces. Yeah, I've seen a couple out west and I'm like, what? This ain't no forest. Ain't hardly a dang tree in sight. This is a forest. Okay, we're out here back on leash. There's this little corner site down here that just looked, even though we're around neighbors and stuff, it just looked like real private, like a private corner lot, and it just caught my attention. If I was here by myself, that'd probably be the spot I'd get. Just back her straight in here. All right. And there's the curb, and the side door being right here. Look, we got a nice view, nice and woodsy picnic table there. What was that? I guess that big Class A is getting ready to, I think he's leaving today. Or I think he's just, I don't know what he's doing. You know, the fire ring, the picnic table, a nice view, and you know, depending on how you park, you know, it could almost block out even a view of the neighbors. And this just being your little yard area. I just really like this little spot. Oh yeah, didn't see that hiding there. Little lantern post back here in the corner, just behind the table. That'd be nice. It'd be nice. What do you think, Bella? Maybe if we make it back this way some other day, maybe we'll snag this spot up. Alright, there's a maintenance groundskeeping crew here. What a funny looking little vehicle that is, isn't it? It's all electric. I've seen it over by the bathhouse. Alright, girl. Funny thing, that funny goofy looking maintenance vehicle, the two guys in it, they look like guys from ZZ Top. You know, very what would you call that, kind of rugged, bearded, you know, rough looking guys driving around in a little bubble electric vehicle. It just looks funny. Well, the clock's ticking, and oh, what, it's almost lunchtime already. Checkout's in 2 hours, I think. So we're gonna go see here. Might grab a quick lunch and see what Russ thinks about what time we're gonna pull out of here, which won't be very long. See how close he is to being ready, I guess. Come on. What are you sniffing back there? Hmm? This is weird. There is a fly hitching a ride on Bella's back. I've chased it off twice. Look, hang on. Look. There is a fly hitching a ride on your back, girl. Get off of there. Okay, he's gone. Come on. Let's see if we can get out of here before you run away from him. Or see if he chases you again. And look, look, he got back up. He's up here now. Get off of there. Leave my dog Bella alone. It's back again.